Hello friends, welcome back again, and today we are here to cover the topic that how to apply for Kazakhstan visa from Tourist Visa online website. So let's just start it. So if you before starting, I just want to tell you all that please hit the bell icon so that you will get more updates regarding our upcoming videos. So let's just start. So open the browser and type google.com. Now in the search bar type www.touristvisaonline.com. Now you have to click the first one, that is www.touristvisaonline.com. Now as you can see in this on the first page, here you can see the field where you have to mention your citizenship country name. So I'm going to mention it over here, Lebanon. So I'm having the passport of Lebanon, so I will be considered as a citizenship of Lebanon. So currently I'm living in Lebanon, so I'm going to mention it over here, Lebanon. Now I'm applying for a visa, that is Kazakhstan. So I'm going to mention it over here. Then we have to click on apply visa. Now as you can see, Tourist Visa Online is basically providing us the two types of visa, that is business visa and tourist visa, and both are the three types of visa. Now as you can see it over here, that is marked with the red, that is not processed. That means you're not allowed, Tourist Visa is not allowing us to apply for 60 days 81 visa. So this is the meaning of not processed, that you are not allowed, Tourist Visa is basically not providing us for 60 days B1 visa. So this is what it means. So I will choose the tourist visa, and then as you can see, Tourist Visa Online is basically providing us the 30 days visa, that is single entry. Visa validity is 90 days, stay validity is 30 days, processing time it will take like 10 to 15 days. Service fee will be 26 USD. So simply click on the circle and then click to proceed to apply. Now as you can see, this is the form of Kazakhstan visa application form. Now in this form, you have to fill it very carefully. Also you have to fill all those fields which is marked with the red asterisk sign, because that is mandatory one. You have to fill all those fields, because without this you can't able to move forward and submit your application for Kazakhstan visa. So let's just start. So in the first, you have to write your first name, Kamya Sheikh. Then the father's full name, that is Faruk Sheikh. Mother full name, that is Shabana Sheikh. Then date of birth, you have to simply click on this field. Then you have to select your year, and then you have to select your month, and then you have to select your date. Now if you have to, suppose that if you are finding difficulty in selecting your date of year, then you can simply choose this year, and then you can simply write down your year like this. Now moving to the next, and that is national ID number. So you have to provide your national ID card number, or else you have to provide your driving license number. Now moving to the next, and that is gender. Then marital status is single. Then email ID is 20. Now moving to the next, that is to Kamya. Now moving to the next, that is mobile number. So you have to provide your mobile, you have to simply select your mobile dial code by selecting your country. It will automatically appear with the dial code. Now you have to provide your other alternative number, or else you have to provide your WhatsApp number. Now moving to the next, and that is profession. So you have to select your profession by this given option, or else you can scroll down and select other if you can't able to find your profession from this given option. Now same goes with the profession also. If you can't able to find a profession from this given option, you can simply choose other by scrolling down. Now moving to the next, and that is passport and travel information. So you have to provide your passport number, then you have to provide your passport date. You have to simply choose the option from this given option, or else you can choose other. The passport date of issue, the passport date of expiry, Now date of arrival, that means on which date you are arriving to Kazakhstan. And date of departure, that means on which date you are returning to Kazakhstan. Now moving to the next, and that is permanent address. So here you have to provide your permanent address of Lebanon. Then you have to mention it over here, your postal code. Then you have to move to the part of upload documents. So here you have to upload your passport document. Simply you have to click on the choose file. Then you have to select your passport. And then you have to simply click on open. You are ready to upload your passport document. Now moving to the next, and that is photo. So you have to provide your photo by clicking on choose file. Then you have to select your photograph. And then you have to click on open. You are ready to upload your photo. Both should be in the format of PNG, JPG, JPEG or PDF. And the photograph must be the passport size. Now if you have some more document to upload, then you can simply click on upload more files. By this you can go with the same process and upload your document. Or else if you have selected it by mistake, then you can simply click on the red one. This will help you out to delete this field. Now if you have more than one applicant to apply for Kazakhstan visa, then you can simply click on add more applicant. By this, that person will get the fresh application form where he or she can fill up the application form. And then you both can move forward and submit and proceed to pay for. You have to pay your visa fee online, and after that you have to simply track your visa status by simply going on this section, that is track visa status. And this in your mail there will be mentioned your application ID number. You have to simply mention it over here, your application ID number, then passport number, and then you have to click it on track visa status. So by this you can track your visa, you can verify your visa, also you can check your updates and status of your visa. So I hope you get all the information regarding how to apply for Kazakhstan visa, and if you have any such doubt, then you can simply comment me in the comment section and I will try my best to clear your doubt.